Okay, yesterday I took a wire wheel to the trailer to all the parts that are really going to get covered up by the boards. I got the fresh lumber here. I got to cut the boards at 73.5 inches. I took the lights off the side, cleaned it up a little. I painted this side, I didn't paint the other side. I'm going to take those pieces of tubing off, both sides. Now I got to pick up some angle iron to put for a place to put the ramps. I'm going to slide the ramps in from the sides. It actually might work better from the back. Just put a slide up in there. Oh, gears are turning. They're spinning. Yeah, there's the ramps. That Paul. They have some sort of chain mechanism. That's what those other holes that I want to cut off, or pieces of pipe I'm going to cut off. They were for a bolt to hold the chain. But I think I'm going to just put them back here. This might be the way to go. One there, and one there. Or one here and one here. Yeah, pardon me while I sit here and ponder this. Okay, regardless, I'm going to find a place to slide the ramps in. I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to get on the boards, get the boards in. I can always take the last few boards out to weld in channels for the ramps later. So for now, I'm just going to get the boards in. I'm going to take the wiring out. It'll be easy enough to reroute later. It's got the tubing everywhere. When I cut these off, I'm going to cut them in half, and I'm going to weld them on there. That I should do first. Weld them in there. So I got a place for the wire to hang all the way to the back, because I'm going to cut holes into the end here for lights. There. And then I'm going to drill small holes here for the side marker lights. You can get the small ones that you just drill like a 1/2 inch hole and you plug them in, just LEDs. Because I'm going to be putting a piece of flat bar on here for chaining them, tying things down. It's going to go from there across to that pocket. I'm going to give it a little bend, and it's going to come over here and just return and weld on there. Just for hooking options, you know, it's nice to have. Yeah, and that's only going to be like a 2-inch flat bar. So it'll be like this. So underneath I'll put those lights. You'll see them from the side. Yeah, and I'll paint the rest once I get the rest of the work done. Before I put the lights in, I got to drill the holes, weld the flat bar on there, take that off, clean everything up, sand it, paint it. Yeah, that's that. And then I got to rebuild these fenders. That's also a future project. Today, get the boards done. Yeah.
Awesome. Looks almost like a whole new trailer, yeah.
Yeah, if I replace all these boards, straight, and then I'm redoing the fenders obviously too.